Yeah, I'm gonna work hard, play hard. Yeah, I play my first card, ace hard. Yeah, they know I play smart, play hard. We don't have the same star.
What's up, guys? Anthony here, back with another video. Today we're gonna tint out the center of the tail lights on the Demon with Luxe Auto Concepts dark smoke tail light film. And like I said, it's just this strip here over the reverse light and the brake light, so that way it's all gloss black in between the red tail lights there. So let's get started on that. So as you may have saw in my other install video, when I installed these on the Charger, you get 4 taillight tints, and then you get an extra one if you screw it up. And you also get a prep kit. This is water and alcohol mixed to clean the surface, and microfiber and a sticker. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description below on where you can get these for the Challengers. This is the same kit for Demon, Hellcat, RT, any Dodge Challenger. And I'll put the link in the description below on where to get these. Before we start, you're going to want to wash the back of the car. Being that we just washed this car, I don't need to do that. But yeah, you're going to want to wash this and make sure the surface is clear of any debris, and make sure there's no dust or any particles under there, so that the taillight tint film sticks to it. After you're done making sure the surface is clear and clean and free of any debris, you're now ready to install. So let's get started. I recommend wrapping the taillight tint around the corner here so that you don't snag it with a wash mitt or a rag when you're detailing the car. So leave like a 1/4 inch, overlay of the tint. That way you can wrap it around the edge and adhere that way. That way you don't snag it. And just like that, the Luxe Auto Concepts dark smoke tint overlays here are done on the Demon. This was the easiest mod so far, guys. It's really simple, no bubbles, no creases. They go on super easy, easier than the Chargers. I recommend getting these for your Challenger. They definitely make the back end of the car look better. Just makes it look much cleaner. I don't know, what's your opinion? Do you guys like the center of the taillights tinted out, or do you like them stock? Let me know in the comments below. That's going to complete today's video, guys. Browse the channel and subscribe. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Peace.